Mortgage rates this week, November 26, 2018. Last week's economic readings, including readings from the National Association of Home Builders Housing Market Index, National Association of Realtors report on sales of pre-owned homes, and the Commerce Department readings on housing starts and building permits issued. Weekly reports on mortgage rates and first-time jobless claims were also released. According to the NAR, National Association of Home Builders, overall builder sentiment fell 6 points to November's reading of 60. This was the largest decline in builder sentiment since 2016. Ongoing concerns over lot and labor shortages and rising costs of building materials were cited along with recently rising mortgage rates. Demands for homes eased as potential buyers were sidelined by rising rates, shortages of homes for sale, and approaching winter weather and holidays. Any housing market index reading over 50 is considered positive, but steep drops in builder sentiment is considered a predictor of stabilizing market conditions. The National Association of Realtors sales of pre-owned home sales rose in October. Sales of previously owned homes rose in October to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 5.22 million sales as compared to September's reading of 5.15 million sales. So it went up. Analysts estimated a reading of 5.18 million sales. While this reading suggests that buyers are active, an increase in home sales signals easing demand as compared to recent months when many buyers were sidelined due to extreme buyer competition for short inventories of homes for sale. Mortgage rates, first-time jobless claims fall as new jobless claims rise. Freddie Mac reported lower mortgage rates this week. Rates for 30-year fixed-rate mortgages averaged 4.81%, which was 13 basis points lower than the previous weeks. Rates for 15-year fixed-rate mortgages averaged 4.24% and were 12 basis points lower. So they've come down a bit last week. Rates for 5/1 adjustable rate mortgages averaged 4.09% and were 5 basis points lower. Discount points averaged 0.4% for 30-year fixed rate mortgages, 0.5% for 15-year fixed rate mortgages, and 0.30% for 5/1 adjustable rate. First-time jobless claims rose last week. 224,000 new claims is filed as compared to expectations of 215. The prior week's reading was 221,000 new claims filed. So what's ahead? Economic readings set for release this week include Case-Shiller home price indices, new home sales, and pending home sales. Weekly readings on mortgage rates and new jobless claims will also be released. So we'll be back next Monday with the next weekly mortgage update. If you or anyone you know is looking to get started, before rates go any higher, or they're looking to buy a house maybe before the spring season comes up, go ahead and use any of the quote forms over at our page at bondstreetmortgage.com. We'll quickly give you a quote based on current rates and let you know how much house or investment property you might qualify for. So go ahead on over to bondstreetmortgage.com to get started today. And please do feel free to share this mortgage rate update with friends, clients, anybody you think might be interested. Thanks a lot.